Well, I think it's going to be a bench. These bases are apple wood sculptures that I did way back when. This one here on the right, I had up on the shelf up there. I had my blueprint. I called it the Architect. I had a blueprint in it from when I built the house, and they're both apple wood. The apple wood came from my boyhood home, but this one's a little bit lower. I'll have to make the piece that goes under it a little higher. It looks to me like it's off about an inch. But I think I kind of like that. And then this walnut slab is going to get sanded further down and then tung oiled. That's what's on the apple wood, is tung oil. But I think it's going to be a bench or a small narrow coffee table. So give me your thoughts if you think that's a good idea or if I should make something else. I like the sculptural look. I was thinking I'd make some dimensional legs, but I like the sculptural look. Alrighty, take care. God bless.